Hey guys, it's Monty. Welcome back to the channel. I am here today with a Scrap Diva Designs design team unboxing. This is for the November release. I'm not sure what the release date is yet, but once I find out, I will add it to my video. So let's just dive right in. Here we go. We're going to have we got one stamp set. So fun with all these different sayings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Looks like there's about 12 sentiments. Do not open till December 25th. Merry Christmas. From your Secret Santa. From our home to yours. Merry Latte. Warm wishes. No peeking. Special delivery from your Secret Santa. Special delivery, a gift for you. Merry Christmas. And then let me tell you what these other ones are. Merry and Bright and Happy Holidays. So love some good little sentiments. Okay, there's that one. Next up we have a gingerbread bakery word, and it's got a shadow on it. Then we have Christmas Words 2025. So we've got some words. Oh, I forgot to stop and I was too excited to get in here and start opening them up and playing with them that I forgot to prep and see what these say. So hopefully I can read backwards. We got Babe. Holly Jolly. We have Santa. Let me pull these out real quick. So I can see what they say and tell you. I'm sorry about that. I usually figure them out and then write them down on my packaging. Okay, we got Christmas, candy cane, gingerbread, bright, merry, babe. Yeah, that's Babe. Santa, vibes, cheer, festive, and then the and sign. Okay, so those are some fun words. And it also has a stitched shadow piece around it. I love that. I always love a shadow piece, at least one. Okay, so there we go. There's that one. Then we have this one, which is called Wavy Oval with Bow. Oh, that's cute. So we got some cute little ovals. We got two different sizes, and they're nesting. So we got like 3 layers you can add up here. It's got a hole for the, a tag. And then we got a tree, another tree, some bows, light bulbs to decorate these with. So fun. And you can also add on some of those, either like one of these sentiments or stamp those sentiments. Okay, then we have this cute little thing. Looks like we have some a Santa mini album. So this will be a tiny little one. These are cute. I think these would make really cute little embellishments too, though. So we got a couple different sizes, and we have some glasses. Very cute. All right, next up we have Christmas tags. So we got some cute little shaped tags, stitching around the edges. This one's scalloped around the edges, different shapes. I love that. And some hole reinforcers. I love different shaped tags. We have a new flower. This one's called Winter Flower Set. So look at those. That pretty flower set there. Very cute. All in one plate, so just run it through once. And then we have Versatile Tag Set. So here's a regular tag with a stitch layering piece. We've got, looks like we have some like hole reinforcers for the top. It looks like we have some Mickey ears, heart, and then some like banner pieces. Really cute. Love that. And then we have the 5x7 folio add-on. Okay, so we got add-on pieces for that have, double check inside here, see if there's anything different. So cute. Okay, so it's all the different add-on pieces, and it has, the edging is like scalloped, and it has gingerbread. So look how cute that is. So cute. And then of course all the new layering pieces to go to match the that shape. So fun. I love that. I love that 5x7 folio, so that'll be really fun to add on. Okay, then we have this one, which is called 3D envelope box, A2 cards and envelopes. Okay, so this is what the outside looks like. Let me take a peek inside. Cute. Okay, so we have, really cute. So we have the envelope box, which is so fun. So the A2 cards and envelopes. Really cute. So we have like stitched heart, another heart. We have like a bow that comes with it. We have like a, it's like a hashtag. No, not really. It's like a, I don't know. It's kind of a square, but it overlaps, and it's got holes in it, so it's kind of like a stitch. Looks like maybe you could stitch it. Okay, so there's that. So I'll have to put that together for you guys so you guys can see what the box looks like. Okay, next up we have gingerbread cookie bag topper. So cute. Love that one. So it looks, here's the topper, and then you get the ones for each side. Very cute. And it has a layering piece on it also. You got your base, and then, oh, okay, these cut out. And then we got some, you know, eyes and that kind of stuff to add on. Very cute. And then we have the 3D hot cocoa gift pouch. Okay. Just a second and I will show you. Very cute. It has a word hot cocoa with it. It has marshmallows and the spoon and the pocket and like drips, the drip piece. Now let me get that back in here. So this is what it looks like on the front. So you got your drip piece. Here's your kind of curved pocket, layering piece. Let's see, is there another word in here also? I forgot to look at that. Oh no, that's the little marshmallows, and look like drips on the marshmallow. Very cute. I like that spoon too, all stitched. A little design up there on a spoon. Sweet. Okay, and then we have this one, which is called Door Tags number 2. There are 2 pages in this one also. So, let's see. Okay, so we have, looks like two different size tags, layering pieces, the doors, and then layering pieces for the windows and the doors. Then there's bows and greenery and a wreath. All kinds of cute stuff. Okay, very cute. So, put that back in here. Okay, next, I'm really excited about this one too. This one is called 3D Kisses Box. So I don't think I have one of these that you can, you know, fit the little kiss candies in and make a little box. Or other candies, probably, I'm sure. So that's going to be cute. A little layered up bow to go with it. Very cute. Very cute. Okay. And then we have the Heart Candy Cane mini album. Okay, so it just shows the candy canes, but if you guys remember the other, probably like 2 releases ago, like had a lot of the school stuff in it, there was a little heart, and it was a pencil heart. This is like that, except for it's got candy canes instead of the pencils. So really cute. And of course you could use these candy canes, you know, standalone also. So there's that one. And then we have Lantern Mini Album. Ooh, this is going to be fun. Let me see, is there 2 pages? More than likely. So we have the big lantern. We have the word Merry Christmas. We have a bunch of layering pieces. We have the mini album pieces. So it's like a 3-hole mini album. On the side, all the different layering pieces. Little banner. Where'd my plastic go? A little banner. No, maybe they're not banner. Maybe oh, it's the candles. The bottom of the candles there. Okay, so and then you can see here. Here's like the flames and stuff for the candles, and then here's some of the other pieces of the candles. So okay, and then there is carousel box with drawers. Okay, so we're gonna make little drawers. I think it's probably similar to the little carousel box that we had before, but it's gonna have drawers this time. I bet. I'm not positive because I haven't seen it all, but yeah, I think that's what it's gonna be. And then the last one is called Shadow Box Bundle. So it looks like we can make a shadow box out of, looks like a retro TV. And then I did look inside this one. There's 2 pages. There's also like a camera also. So you can make a shadow box out of that. Super cute. So those are the dies and stamp set that are coming out for this November release. I will make sure that I link Erica's shop. Here's the address, and then here is the hashtag. You can follow along as we all start making our design team projects. I will list all the dies below, their names, and then once the sale becomes live on the website, I come back that night that they're being released, and I add in my affiliate links for you. So if you use those, that is so helpful to me. It shares a small amount of the sale with me without costing you guys anything more. So I will have all those affiliate links in the as soon as they're available on the website, and then also I will list my discount code. Feel free to use that anytime. It's called Polka10. It's POLKA 10. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching, and get ready for the next release. Bye guys.